All right, everybody. Sorry about the last week's video. That was like an hour long. This time I'm going to try to show you something that's kind of handy. I know how we have this point cloud kind of set up in here, and it gets kind of in the way when you're trying to set up everything. And of course, you need it there, but what if you want it gone? Typically, if you just kind of go over it, click tab in certain areas, you might get lucky enough to get it. And you could hide it, just kind of get it out of the view. So I wanted to kind of show that, try to get that out there as in, hey, this is, you can hide it real fast, get it out of your way, and not have to worry about it ever again. I can find a way to pull the stinking thing up, right? Okay, what we'll do is we'll go over here to the 3D view. Get over here. I'll take out this nice little section view that I go on. This is where it's at, over here in the properties, like that. Let it pull out. So as you can see, this one already has it hidden. I want me to save. So aggravating. And look at that. That pretty little thing is back in there. Ugh. So aggravating. So of course, press tab. It'll kind of pull up like that. Click on it. And this one is to unhide element right here. Unhide it, and of course it'll stay there. If it's been hidden, sometimes I forget that I've had something like that, and I sit there and wonder to myself, where'd it go? Here's that. Clicked it. Now you got it nice and clicky click. Right click on it, and you go up here. It says hide in view, and you can do element. That'll just hide that one piece. Now, say if you wanted to hide something else. Say I wanted to hide all walls that are going to be this size of this type, as in like this outer wall here, which is going to be that exterior clapboard on wood stud. I just kind of put that on there just to make a exterior wall for this, because it really doesn't matter when it comes down to the renovations of the inside of this. But once again, just click on that, and you can come over here. Instead of just doing the one element, as it'll do that, and of course I'm going to press Control Z. It's going to bring that nice little wall back there for me. I can go back to it, and I can go to category. And so what it'll do is take this one wall here, and by category, it's going to take all the other walls out. Now you're just sitting here with a bunch of floating stuff. Anything that says wall is now gone. Pretty cool. So I want those walls back. Let's get them back. Click right here, and we're going to unhide category, since it's not just the one element. Everything should be back. Now, if I want to get that other piece back, of course, I'll go over here, click tab, so it pops up there, click on that nice point cloud, and then click unhide element. I'm going back. I don't need that anymore. Of course, it's this little light bulb here. It'll help you out. It says reveal the hidden element. Then you have temporary hide or isolate. So here's this. You've got these little nice sunglasses here. Click it. You can isolate it. You can hide that category or the element. Instead of right clicking on it, you can just do it here, and it'll just hide that one piece. And of course, you can reset, and it'll bring all this back. But I do believe if you do it like this, it may not let you do that same thing. So like, see how that's not having a little box around anymore? It doesn't give you the option, because you're not doing it with your shades on, like, you're blocking out the sunlight. So it's not being hidden by your little glass viewer down here. It's being done by, well, just the system in general. So unhide it, go back. And then if you go down here, you'll have different options. So you want to do that one. You want to hide the whole category of it. And of course, you'll do that. And see how it says that little box down here at the bottom around the sunglasses. It's temporarily hiding it for you. And then you have this hide or isolate view, like apply it. And then you can't sit there and be like, oh no, because it's just like if you right clicked it and said hide. So you'll have to come back here, this nice little light bulb, of course, click on that, and then unhide. And then if you don't want to click the light bulb here, since you're already up here, click the X up at the top. It'll bring you right back to where you need to be. Again, these two things here will help you hide items or bring them back to life in certain words. So that's my tutorial today. I hope everybody enjoys, you know, finding out how they can now find the things that are disappearing on them magically sometimes. So enjoy. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.